Imagine being able to hold your breath for 24 hours. Now imagine doing it underwater. That's just one of the mind-blowing abilities of ants. Creatures that have been outsmarting nature's harshest challenges for over 140 million years. At the heart of every ant colony is the queen, a ruler who wasn't born into power, but was chosen and transformed by the colony. Just think, this once ordinary larva is nurtured into royalty by the worker ants, given a life of luxury in exchange for her ability to lay thousands of eggs and secure the colony's future. It's a process of transformation and power that's as strategic as it is fascinating. And strength? Ants redefine the word. Imagine lifting a car over your head. That's what ants do every day, carrying objects up to 50 times their own weight. But it's not just about brute force. Wood ants, for example, can spray acid from their bodies, turning themselves into living chemical weapons when their colony is under attack. Now here's where it gets even more amazing. While we humans rely on sight, ants have evolved to master their world using more than just their eyes. Their compound vision may not be as sharp as ours, but it's designed for survival, giving them a panoramic view of their surroundings. And some species have taken it a step further, navigating using polarized light patterns, even in total darkness. It's like having built-in night vision goggles. If these facts are blowing your mind, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. There's plenty more where this came from. Ants don't just communicate, they orchestrate. Using chemical signals called pheromones, they send messages that can mobilize an army or guide a lone scout back to the nest. It's as if they have a secret code, allowing them to operate with military precision. But ants are more than just warriors, they're also master farmers. For millions of years, certain ant species have cultivated fungus in underground gardens. The process is meticulous. Leafcutter ants, for example, harvest leaves not to eat, but to feed their fungus farms. This fungus becomes their primary food source, a practice of agriculture that predates human farming by millennia. And then there's their relationship with aphids, which is equally remarkable. Ants have been known to herd aphids, protecting these tiny insects from predators and moving them to prime feeding spots. Why? Because aphids produce honeydew, a sugary liquid that ants crave. The ants milk the aphids by stroking them with their antennae to stimulate the release of honeydew. In return, the ants defend their aphid herds with fierce dedication, even going so far as to carry them to safety when danger approaches. It's a symbiotic relationship that showcases the complexity and intelligence of ant behavior. And just when you think you've heard it all, did you know that some ants can clone themselves, creating entire colonies without a single male? These self-sufficient colonies thrive in isolation, proving that ants have mastered the art of survival in ways we're only beginning to understand. If you thought ants were amazing, just wait until you learn about the common housefly. Did you know that a housefly's eyes are made up of thousands of lenses, allowing them to see in almost every direction at once? This 360-degree vision, combined with their incredible speed, makes them nearly impossible to catch. Check out our video on the fly to discover more mind-blowing facts that will keep you on the edge of your seat. And now you know, stay curious.